Welcome to this new moon intention setting for May 2020. As always, start by taking a couple deep breaths deep into the belly, letting each exhale get a little bit longer than the one before it. Continuing to use your breath to pull your attention inward, drawing it down to the sits bones, feeling where you're touching the chair or the ground beneath you. Letting everything outside of you fall away. The energy of this month's new moon is about rebuilding and refocusing on long-term goals and the ability to plan and actualize long-term goals. It's a very earthy and a very practical new moon. So this month in our intention setting, we will focus on activating the lower three chakras, because the lower three chakras rule over our practical life and what we experience in physical reality. So as you're settling in, start to allow an intention to form in your mind's eye. It could be words or a picture or a feeling. It's something that pertains to a goal, a longer term goal that you would like to realize this year. And you can feel the contrast between the warm sun on your back or on your face and the coolness of the water. And you look down into this beautiful turquoise pool, and you can see that color that you gave your intention deep down towards the bottom, just sitting there. And now open the chakras that are located on the bottoms of your feet and start to use them like a straw to draw that color up from the depths of the water into your feet, filling your feet and the space between your ankles with your intention. And continuing to draw that color up, filling your lower legs and knees, filling your thighs. Keep pulling it up from the bottom of that beautiful pool. And feel that color filling up your hips and pelvic bowl. And take an extra minute here to let that color commingle with your first chakra, so that you're really bathing your first chakra in the energy of your intention. And then continuing with that metaphor of the straw, continue to pull that colored energy from the first chakra and the pelvic bowl through the central column of the body into the second chakra, and let it fill both sides of the second chakra, front and back. And then continue to sip that color up to the third chakra, located a few finger widths above the belly button, and let it fill front and back. And now follow that color, your intention, on the full journey from the pool up into the third chakra. So again, go back to your feet. Imagine drawing that color up from the water into the feet, up the legs, filling the first chakra, and then rising up through the second chakra, up into the third chakra, and let it spill out the third chakra in both directions, front and back. Letting it first fill up your own personal energy bubble, and then letting it stretch even beyond that boundary. The third chakra is your center of personal power. And so this is a practice to run your intention through all the lower chakras, but in particular, push it out into the world from your source of personal power. So continue with your mind's eye to trace the whole journey from deep into the pool, up the feet, legs, up the lower chakras, and out the third chakra. And using your mind's eye, you can also pull out the picture a little bit and really see your body from outside yourself. Watch yourself creating this energetic pattern, pulling the energy up, releasing it through the solar plexus. And you can continue to run this energetic pattern for as long as you like, 5 minutes, as much as 20 minutes. This is a great practice to do daily for the 2 weeks between the new moon and the full moon, to really anchor in your intention and get your intention aligned with all 3 lower chakras. So when you feel complete with this meditation for today, you can open your eyes and come back to the present moment.